Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet. What I've got here is a single crochet at the bottom and then a row of half double crochet, and you can see that it is noticeably taller than the single crochet row. And now we're going to add a double crochet row, and I did these first so that you could see the different heights. Again, we don't use half double crochet or double crochet or triple crochet very often in amigurumi. We'll only use them for specific things or sometimes for clothing or something like that. But we do use them occasionally, so I wanted to have a video that showed you how to do it. So since I'm doing this in rows instead of in continuous spirals, we're going to need to do some turning chains. And for double crochet, you do 3 turning chains. You do 1 for single crochet, 2 for half double, and 3 for double crochet. Then you turn it, and that counts as your first stitch. So, okay, we wrap it, starts just like half double crochet. And we're going to go into the fabric, grab a loop, pull it through, and we've got 3 loops left on it, just like half double crochet. But here's where it's different. Instead of pulling through all 3, we're going to loop it and pull through 2, and loop it and pull through 2. So I'll do that again. Wrap it, go through the fabric, grab it and pull it through. And when you've got 3 loops on, you're going to wrap it and pull through 2, and wrap it and pull through 2. Do that a couple more times, because I want you to see. I want to do enough so that you can see the height comparison. One more. So we'll wrap it, go through, grab it, come through, go through 2, and go through 2. And that gives us enough that we can see. So we've got from the bottom, from these little holes here, we've got a single crochet at the base, and then from here to here we've got a half double crochet, and then here to the top we have a double crochet, which is the tallest one of them all.